Hi, Bonham Bears. Welcome back to Shared Reading. I hope you had a wonderful vacation. We are now back in school. So today we're going to read Three Pigs and a Wolf. Have you heard this story before? Does it sound familiar to you? This story is retold by Athena Satosaris and illustrated by Ayana Chernak. She draws all these beautiful pictures. Let's look first right here. The Three Pigs and a Wolf. In the story while we read today, you're going to notice that whatever the pigs say is in this green, and whatever the wolf says is in red. So watch that as we start reading today. I turned to the back of the book and it says wolf danger. The wolf wants to get the three little pigs, but they work hard to stay safe. So if you've heard this story, do you remember how they stayed safe? What did they do? Think about those questions as we read. Today I'm going to read the story, and next time you can join me as I read. Are you ready to read The Three Pigs and the Bad Wolf? We are three little pigs. I am a big, bad wolf. I have a house made of straw. I have a house made of sticks. Do you see the numbers on 1 and 2 on the houses? Why do you think they are there? If you remember, the wolf might go to the house made out of straw first, and second he goes to the house made out of sticks. Good. I have a house made of bricks. A house made out of bricks, and there's 1, 2, and there's the third little house. Let me in. No! The wolf blew the first house down. Where will the first pig go? Where do you think he's going to go? He's going to run to the house of sticks. He says, let me in! Let me in! No! No! Now the second house is down. Where will the two pigs go? Where do you think they're going to run to? That's right, they'll probably run to the third pig's house. This time he comes and says, let me in! Let me in! Let me in! No! 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 The wolf is working really hard to blow the house down. Do you think he will do it? Do you think it will blow down? Make a prediction. Let's see. Up, up, up. Down, down, down. What are the pigs doing to keep the wolf out? Do you see this hot pot of boiling water? Do you think that's going to prevent him from getting in that house? If they're working together. Yay! Oh! This is a speech bubble. The words inside these speech bubbles tell what the three little pigs and the big bad wolf are saying. How do you think the pigs feel now? I think you're right. How about the wolf? How does he feel? I think you're right too. The author always has clever things to say at the end of the book. Let's find out today what she says. Clever pigs. In the story, the smartest pig built a house of bricks. In real life, pigs can't build houses, but they are very smart animals and they can learn how to solve many problems. Right, that was a wonderful story of the three pigs and the wolf. Right, I can't wait for you to read it again tomorrow. Tell me your favorite part of this story. Right, bye.